Hello and welcome to the part 3 of Indian river systems. In this video, we are going to discuss about the peninsular river system of India. And now first look at the characteristics of the peninsular river system and how these rivers are different from the Himalayan rivers. So these rivers are ancient rivers. These are older than the Himalayan rivers. They follow a generally fixed course, does not show features like meandering that is seen in Himalayan rivers. Why? Because they flow through the hard crystalline rock structure that is relatively stable. Third, these rivers are seasonal. That is, their flow is maintained by the monsoonal rainfall, and the features carved by these rivers are shallow valleys, not deep gorges or canyons that are formed by Himalayan valleys. Fifth is one important feature that is present in peninsular India is presence of waterfalls. Now let us classify these rivers into two heads, that is east flowing river and west flowing rivers. East flowing rivers drains into Bay of Bengal and west flowing river drains into Arabian Sea. Now moving forward with the east flowing rivers, first one is Mahanadi. Mahanadi originates in the Sihawa hills in Chhattisgarh and drains into the Arabian Sea. One of the important dam on Mahanadi river is Hirakud Dam. Now moving on to the Godavari river, that is the largest river in peninsular India. It is also known as Dakshin Ganga. It originates in Triambakeshwar in Maharashtra. Triambakeshwar in Maharashtra and drains into the Bay of Bengal. Now let us look at the tributaries of Godavari. Left bank tributaries are Penganga, Vardha, Venganga, Pranhita, Indravati, Sabari, Siler. Right bank tributaries are Manjira, other one is Parvara and Maner. There are some important dams on this river also, that is Polavaram project. Second one is Kaleshwaram. Kaleshwaram. Now moving on to the Krishna river that originates in the Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra and drains into Bay of Bengal. It flows through Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and its major tributaries are left one are Bhima, Didni, Halia, Musi, Muneru, and the right bank tributaries are Koyna, Panchganga, Ghatprabha, Malprabha, Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra is the largest one. Now moving on to the Kaveri river. Kaveri originates in Talkaveri in Brahmagiri Hills. Brahmagiri Hills. That is in Karnataka. It flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, draining into Bay of Bengal. Looking at the tributaries, left bank tributaries are Hemavati, Simsha, and right bank tributaries are Harangi, Kabini, Suvarnavati, Bhavani, Amravati, and Kolidam is distributary of Kaveri river. There are important waterfall on this river, that is Shiv Samudra Falls. Shiv Samudra Falls. Now, and important name are Krishna Raj Sagar, Sagar Dam, Mettur Dam, Kabini Dam. Now moving on to the west flowing rivers. Major example are Narmada and Tapi. Narmada originates in Amarkantak Plateau. Amarkantak Plateau, that shows the example of radial drainage pattern. And Narmada river flows into the rift valley that is between the Vindhyas and Satpura range. Important name on this river are Sardar Sarovar, Indira Sagar, and one important waterfall on this river is Dhuandar Falls. Dhuandar Falls. Now coming to the Tapi river, it originates in the Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh, flows through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and drains into the Arabian Sea. It also flows westwards. Other important rivers are Mahi and Sabarmati river that originates in the Vindhya and Aravalli hills and drains into the Arabian Sea. So these peninsular rivers play a crucial role in irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, agriculture, water supply, formation of deltas that provides the fertile plain for the agricultural reason. So the geology of the region of peninsular plateau, that is presence of hard rock system, makes the extraction of groundwater difficult, and the people there majorly depends on the river water for their survival. So there is a number of disputes that can be witnessed in current affairs about the water sharing of rivers. So keep that in mind while reading the newspapers. That's all for the video. Let's meet in the next video. Like, share, subscribe if you like the content.